Welcome, everyone, to another episode of Mastering SEO with us. I'm your host, and today we are diving deep into a topic that's crucial for any website owner, blogger, or business looking to rank higher in Google: backlinks. Now, you might have heard about backlinks before, but do you know what makes a backlink truly powerful in SEO? Today, we are going to break it down and help you understand the different types of backlinks that can make a real difference in your website's ranking. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's talk all about powerful backlinks. What are backlinks in simple terms? Okay, let's start with the basics. Backlinks, in the simplest terms, are links from one website to another. Imagine a friend recommending a restaurant to you. If that restaurant is popular and your friend has good taste, you are more likely to trust their recommendation. It's the same thing in the online world. When one website links to another, it's like a vote of confidence or a recommendation. Google sees backlinks as trust signals. When many quality websites link to you, Google thinks, "Hey, this site must be important and trustworthy." This helps your site rank higher in search results. Backlinks: why quality matters. But not all backlinks are created equal. Some are powerful and can boost your SEO efforts dramatically, while others, well, not so much. So let's look at the types of powerful backlinks and what makes them so special. Editorial backlinks. First up, we have editorial backlinks. These are links that are naturally included in the content of high-quality, authoritative websites. They happen when a journalist, blogger, or content creator writes an article and includes a link to your website as a reference or source. These links are highly trusted by Google. Let's say you are a health expert and you write an article on the benefits of eating organic food. If a popular health magazine like Healthline writes an article about nutrition and links to your site as a source, that's an editorial backlink. It's powerful because it comes from a respected source and is naturally integrated into the content. Guest post backlinks. Next, we have guest post backlinks. This is when you write a post for another website or blog, and in that post, you include a link back to your site. These backlinks can be very powerful if the site you are guest posting on is reputable and has high authority in your niche. Imagine you run a digital marketing blog and you write a guest post for a popular website like Neil Patel's blog. If you include a link to your website in your author bio or within the content, you get a quality backlink that can help improve your SEO rankings. Plus, you get exposure to a whole new audience. Resource page backlinks. Now, let's talk about resource page backlinks. These are links you get when your website is included in a curated list of resources on a topic. These resource pages are often featured on educational or authoritative websites. For example, if you run a website that teaches people how to play guitar, and a music education website creates a resource page of the top online guitar lessons, and they include a link to your website, that's a valuable backlink. Resource pages are great because they come from sites that are trusted by Google and are usually well structured and informative. Directory backlinks, but choose wisely. Next up, we have directory backlinks. These are links from online directories where businesses or websites are listed. Think of it as a digital yellow pages. While not all directory backlinks are powerful, getting listed in a high-quality, niche-specific directory can give you a boost in SEO. For example, if you own a bakery, getting listed on a directory like Yelp or a local business directory can help improve your site's authority. But be careful, Avoid low-quality, spammy directories, as these can hurt your SEO instead of helping it. Social media backlinks. Next, let's talk about social media backlinks. These are links that come from social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. While social media links may not directly impact your rankings in the same way as editorial backlinks, they still play a role in driving traffic to your site and increasing visibility. For example, if you share a blog post on Twitter and people start clicking on the link and sharing it with their followers, that's a backlink that's helping spread the word about your site. Even though these links may not directly influence your SEO as much as others, they can still lead to traffic and engagement, which is valuable for your overall digital presence. Comment backlinks, use with caution. Let's be honest, comment backlinks are a bit of a gray area. These are links you get when you leave a comment on someone's blog or forum post, and you include a link back to your website. Now, I want to stress something here. These backlinks are not as powerful as other types, especially if they're used for spammy purposes. But if you are genuinely contributing thoughtful comments on high-authority blogs or forums, you can get a decent backlink. Just remember to avoid spamming links everywhere. Quality always wins over quantity. Broken link building. Finally, let's talk about broken link building. This one's a little sneaky, but it works wonders. Here's how it works. You find a broken link on a high-authority website. Maybe it's an old link to a resource that's no longer available. You then contact the website owner and suggest they replace the broken link with a link to your relevant content. For example, let's say you run a cooking website, and you find a broken link to a recipe on a popular food blog. You reach out to the blog owner and suggest they replace the broken link with a link to one of your own recipes. If they agree, you get a high-quality backlink while helping the website fix its broken link. Let's wrap up. Alright, now you have a good understanding of the different types of powerful backlinks. To recap, the most valuable backlinks are editorial links, guest post links, resource page links, directory links, social media links, comment links, and broken link building. The key takeaway is that quality matters more than quantity. Focus on earning backlinks from reputable, high-authority sites in your niche, and your SEO efforts will pay off in the long run. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I hope this helps you understand the different types of powerful backlinks and how they can boost your website's SEO. If you found this episode useful, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review.